my beautiful, beautiful client, Miss Joyce. And listen, she is here for our famous hair growth treatments. And I want her to tell her story of what her experience has been so far. This is her second treatment today, but after her first treatment, she was sharing a story with me earlier, and I want her to share with you her experience and what she has felt so far.
Hi, I just want to know that I had spent a lot of money on different treatments, on hair products and stuff, trying to get my hair to grow, but even after the very first treatment, I went home and about 2 days later I felt peach fuzz. And I'm like, oh my God, it was peach fuzz. It felt so good to me. And then after my second treatment, I could literally see hair growing. And when I showed my daughter today, she looked at my hair and we both started crying because she know my journey that I went through. And so when we could actually see like the top of my hair is growing in already just after a few treatments, and then it's not like all shiny like a baby's bottom, and it is literally growing, and I just so thankful that the treatment actually do work, because Miss LA taught me something I really didn't realize, that the hair journey starts inside and not just on the outside of the scalp. And that is the truth, because I can literally see the beginning of this journey. I'm so excited to see where it's gonna go, and I thank God for you, Miss LA. God knows I do.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, Miss Joyce. So listen, stick with us. We got part 2 of this. She also got lace crowns, and she has Island Girl. So that's coming next. So look for that transformation.
I'm excited.
What's going on? It's your girl, Miss LA. Again, this is my beautiful client, Miss Joyce. Listen, earlier we talked about how she comes here for our hair growth treatments, and already after one treatment, she already has hair growth. So in the meantime, okay, she has lace crowns wig, okay? So this is Island Girl that she has on now, and she plans to take her wig on and off, but I wanted her to tell you guys what she feels right now. This is an all lace wig. Y'all do not get these on Amazon, okay? These are all lace wigs, lace crowns. It's a luxury wig line, and I want her to tell you how it feels on her head right now, what she's experiencing, just her whole, however she feels. Hairline, look at this hairline. I'm gonna get in close in a second so y'all can see. So I'm gonna let Miss Joyce talk now. Let her tell you her experience.
Okay, yeah.
Look
now,
at that.
but she put she put this on. It is so light. I swear, I done wore all kind of wigs and this is so light. And the hairline, it looks so real. Look at that.
Go in there, Miss
Oh
Joyce.
my God, look at that. Can you see that? And she showed me how to do it myself. I'm like, oh my God. And it feels so natural. I can't believe it. It's like, I just feel like a whole different person. And it's really, I'm serious, it's so light. You can really even hardly tell you even got it on. You can't even really tell you got it on. It's just so, it's just really nice, and it fit into the T, and beautiful. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I just can't believe it.
I love it. And I want to tell y'all something too. Look, I'm gonna kind of pull this a little bit. We just put this on, so I'm not gonna do it hard. But there is no glue here. No glue and no tape at the top on her hairline, okay? So I ain't gonna tell y'all my secret. The only way to get the secret is y'all have to come here and I have to do it for you. But there is no glue absolutely on her, okay? Miss Joyce plans to wear this on church day, okay? This is Wednesday, but she's gonna wear it on Sunday. And I just showed her, like she said, how to do it herself. So this is Lace Crowns luxury wig line here at the LA Xperience, and this is Island Girl, okay? Look how pretty.
Cute. I can't stop smiling, cheesy like a cheese cat.
Thank you so much, Miss Joyce.
You.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome, baby. No, thank you.
You're
honestly.
welcome. Thank you.
Damn.
Listen, I want her to come in here. We were talking earlier about her mom's experience. This is her daughter, okay? I'm going to call her by her real name, okay? This is Krista. And she gave her mom a Mother's Day gift of a hair, the head spa is how it started. And then she came back and did a hair growth treatment with her mom. And I want her, Krista, to tell you guys what her reaction was after only one treatment, you guys. I know y'all been looking for people to help you grow your hair, and you're having a hard time finding people that can help you grow your hair. I wanted them to genuinely tell you guys their experience, and especially Krista, because she was really emotional earlier, and I want her to share what happened after the first treatment with her mom and just how she felt after that, okay? So I'm going to let Krista take it away.
Okay, hi everybody. Okay, so my Mother's Day gift to my mom was to get her a hair treatment. I just seen her journey throughout the years. I know her heart's desire was to see her hair grow back out, and all the time and money that she spent previously, you know, we didn't really see no results. And I just seen her reaction, her facial expression, and you know how she felt. So I just wanted her to feel beautiful like she is. I want her to feel that from the inside. So I came across here and I was just like, okay, let's go get your consultation and stuff like that. Everything went great and amazing. So she did her first treatment, was about 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago?
2 weeks.
And I never seen her hair after the fact since her consultation and stuff. So today we was in the bathroom and she was coming to her hair. I'm like, oh, your hair look pretty thick. So I told her to bend down her head because I know how it was looking prior to the treatment. And man, when she bent down her head and I seen the hair, I was like, oh my gosh. We actually seen results after the first treatment, and I was just so happy because it's been a long journey. And she's been through so much, and to see that it's finally, I'm sorry, I'm getting emotional again, but to see it finally coming to fruition after all these years, after all this time, I was just so happy for her. Because I know, God willing, and with Miss LA's expertise, I know she's gonna get the results that she's so much desire after all these years. So it's just a blessing across the board, and I'm just so happy, and I just want her to finally feel beautiful again. She deserves it. She's an amazing woman, an amazing mother, and we thank God for you and your husband, just your whole establishment, because everybody has been a blessing, and just thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you. I want to thank both Miss Joyce and Krista for trusting me. And again, I know a lot of you out there may have similar stories. You spent money, you bought products, and you cannot get your hair to grow, or you don't know what's going on. Listen, check us out at the LA Xperience Haircare and Wellness Clinic. We do consultations, get to the root cause of what's happening with your hair loss. And just like Miss Joyce and Miss Krista, who gave this gift to her mom, we can help you on your hair journey as well. So thank you guys for sharing your story. I appreciate them. Listen, I appreciate her. I heard in her voice she was trying to hold it, but listen, this is an emotional thing that's happening when it comes to alopecia, right? And I know people are out there and they're not doing what they said they're doing. So I just wanted these ladies to share their genuine experience, because here at the LA Xperience, we thrive on results. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. And Miss Joyce looks amazing.